Hello everyone, I'm James. I'm a senior developer specializing in user experience. I would like to show you something really cool, things that we are capable of doing in the age of AI. If you're a developer, you might find this very useful, so check this out. Alright, so you're hired as a junior developer working on a new code base, and the TL asks you, hey, can you change the cooldown period between notifications from, say, 10 minutes to 1 minute? It will be a little bit more spammy, but maybe that's the direction that team wants to move forward with. So I'm asked to do this, and instead of going to the code base and figure things out, I'm going to ask the AI to search the file for me. And this is available in most editors, but what happens is that the AI just goes ahead and makes the changes on its own. This one actually points you the exact line in the file that you wanted to change, or you should change rather. So that's very useful because next time you want to make a similar change, you don't have to ask the AI, you can just go straight to it, especially for simple changes like this. So now, another interesting thing that AI can do is to point out a bug or some tangential issues while it's teaching you where to make the code changes. So in this case, it's saying that the documentation and the code are inconsistent. The documentation says the cooldown period is actually 2 minutes, but the code is actually 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm asked to change it to 1 minute, so I went ahead. Now the AI is saying that, okay, so you have made changes to 1 minute. I'll just go ahead and update the documentation so that everything is in sync. So that's a lot of tasks that AI was doing on the spot for you. Another thing AI can do now is to visualize your code in a graphical format. The graphical representation of the code base helps you visualize the system better. It also helps you figure out which related files that you may want to check out, especially when you have like tests or you have dependencies. It can show you where it is or where they are. It also knows what the test command or build command would be, so you don't even have to search that up. It's just going to generate for you, and you can run those commands on the terminal. If you have a very large file, such as this one, you have a huge documentation that you need to go through. Sometimes you want to create a selective documentation, so that's also very useful because you just want to know exactly what this file does. You don't have to go through the whole readme file to understand, to read the whole thing, especially things that you're not really interested in. So it's a very useful set of tools for junior developers who want to get started in a code base, or even a senior person checking out a new code base from GitHub. So overall, I think this IDE will be super helpful and is doing beyond just execution or code generation. So that's something that we really need as a community. So I believe we are making a lot of progress here, especially with the new models coming out. A very exciting time ahead.